Free Mind Club presents Akib Hussain as Dr. Transplant Soul. This is Shahbaz Ahmad Khan and you're listening to Free Minds Club. How do you stop yourself from getting sexual thoughts when you look at a girl? This is the most common problem at this age when there is a copious hormones in your body. I will suggest you a very simple mind hack. When you are unable to control your sexual thoughts, when you come across a very beautiful or a hot girl, just try to imagine her in her childhood way. Days when she was crawling on floor, trying to learn walking or imagine a cute baby, which might look very similar to her when she was young. I vow you can never get any sexual or vulgar thoughts looking at a baby. Don't look at her as a fully grown woman. Rather imagine her a small baby and try. The smile of the baby in your imagination will outnumber all your sexual thoughts about her.